Laosao. Yeah, so Laosao in Senegal. So this is a breakfast, yeah. Man, it's very delicious. Really, really delicious. Really delicious. And this is millet. Millet good fruit in Senegal, man. Yeah, very hot, man. Very hot cafe in a hot afternoon and a hot sun. These cars are the taxis in Senegal. And there's no, in Ghana we have the painting, like taxis with paint and all those stuff. This one, there's no paint. Man, I feel like I'm on the desert right now. It's kind of hot. Seems like Hamatan. Because on my nose is beginning to feel some hotness. It seems like Hamatan over here. Dust, the wind. It's very hot. Yeah. African local beans. Yeah. So over here, small seasoning things, you know? Tamarind. Yeah. Man, look at this giant fish over here. Man, fish no size. This is SALY market and very busy. More market. More market and very busy over here. Yes, I'm on the streets of Senegal, SALY, and today I'll be trying the street food in SALY in Senegal. And man, as you can see, the market and everything looks exactly like Ghana and any other African country. As I keep saying, Africa is one. It's only the language that changes. So a lot of activities going on over here. Everyone trying to earn some meat. Man, one amazing thing is that I finally found some swallow food in Senegal. Man, I found fufu in Senegal. Oh, God. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is boy. Cooking with Senegal number here. Yeah, I'm in Senegal. Wow. That's man. Wow, interesting. Amazing. Yes, I'm in Senegal, connecting dots and showcasing African food. And at this moment, I'm here with Samba. Yeah, street food. Yeah, it is what it is. Man, this dust. So I'm in the western side of Senegal, SALY, and over here, man, the sun is, like you said, a lot. Okay, there's no green. The plantation and the forestry is very less over here. Yeah, so hitting the streets and get some breakfast over here to see how their breakfast is done in the Senegal way. Let's do this. Sorry, God. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. Yeah, so I'm here and we just found one spot. This is a breakfast and you add fresh milk to it. Yeah, this is more like a breakfast in Senegal. Yeah. Sure. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Bread? No bread? Yeah. Oh, no bread, okay. Okay, so this is Laosao in Senegal. Laosao. Okay, it's Laosao. So it's a millet kind of porridge, like a kind of oats, yeah? And this is fresh milk, cow milk on top of it. So there's sugar inside, right? Sugar. Yeah. Okay, there's sugar inside. Okay. Tastes like fula. We have this in Ghana. Fula. What's the name? Yeah, millet. Yeah, but it tastes like fula. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It tastes like fula. Yeah. Like kind of Burkina. Yeah, kind of Burkina, but this is hot, not cold, very hot. Man, so delicious, very delicious. Really delicious. Really delicious, man. Man, this street food in Senegal, Laosao, and man, this is the hot version of Burkina or Fula, kind of, yeah. It has the same flavor, the same taste of those street food. So basically, we West African people have the same food, but the steps and the procedure is different. This is hot. What you have in Ghana is cold. Man, this is amazing. Tastes really nice, and man, I've cooked everything over here right now. Delicious sankata. If you're in Senegal, try Laosao, right? We are here in the local restaurant over here, street food, and they are preparing tiabouje, like the famous and the national food, the jollof in Senegal. So here's a local restaurant by the street side, and it's fish. Yeah, a fish. Okay, fish balls. Okay, okay, the onion. Okay, so this is fish, and that's doing like a fish balls, and she's about to fry it. I guess the fry it, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What time will you be ready?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Okay. Since it's an afternoon dish or afternoon food, they start early in the morning so that in the afternoon by 12, 1 o'clock, everything will be ready and people come to purchase. Table here over here, ongoing, and the amazing aroma coming out right now. Yeah, our photo. These cars are the taxis in Senegal, and there's no. In Ghana, we have the painting, like taxis with paint and all those stuff. This one, there's no paint.
You have a color for taxi.
I have color for taxi also?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Yellow and black.
Yellow and black?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this one's?
When you go outside to Dakar.
Okay. Okay. So, if you go to Dakar, it's different taxis all over. But when you go outside Dakar, then the taxis changes. Okay, any private car can be a taxi, but in Dakar it's different. Yeah, so we're heading towards the market and it is what it is. Yeah, so if you visit Senegal, try one of these cafes by the street side. Yeah, that's how they do it. Yeah. Yeah, very hot, man. Very hot cafe in a hot afternoon and a hot sun. Okay, let's see. So, cafe is done. It can be taken away. Yeah, take away your cafe. You walk in there, you have a cafe with you. Over here, see the eggs. And we have 5 folks here who are walking alone. I believe they speak French. Yeah, most of these people are from France, so they speak French. Yeah, but man, they're alone. They walk alone. That's wow. Some snack joint in Senegal. This is millet. So over here in Senegal, we don't have much of the street food. They eat like little stuff of street food like this, kind of goat fruit, and even then the small size and quantity. We also have the millet goat fruit or the snack they have over here. They have less street food because of majority of people cook at home. So the street food over here is very less. Okay, so since this is Mama Antono and she's owned this place. Actually, how is business? Okay. Meal, okay.
Croquette.
Croquette.
25.
Okay. Okay.
Chaque jour.
Okay.
4 heures du matin.
Okay.
Là, wàcc minuit. 25 ans. Boobu léegi maa ngi liggéey.
Oh, okay. Everything.
Yeah, 25 years.
Hey!
She coming.
25 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
Every day she come 4 o'clock.
In the morning?
Yeah, and after midnight you go house.
Wow.
So bade. Sama borom kër. Sama mari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Standard. Dafa retraité. 25 ans boobu léegi maa ngi liggéey.
Wow.
25 years she work.
Wow, doing this for 25 good years. Comes here early in the morning at 4 a.m. and we get to the evening. Wow, every day. Every day.
4 o'clock and midnight.
4 o'clock to midnight. Wow, mamma mia. So she sleeps 24 hours. God damn it. Mamma mia. Man, it's crazy. Wow. So this is a breakfast joint and they sell bread and everything. Here, as I said, the breakfast system in Senegal is different. It's a whole different setup altogether. So they have their own kind of breakfast they have over here. That's amazing and very delicious as well. Okay, so this is kind of millet, and this buns also over here. So street food in Senegal. Okay. So it's like kind of meat pie. So they add this fish inside it and they fry it.
This one,
They have to try it. Okay, so this is coconut with the flour and the sugar being mixed together. And
Eat and grow.
so it's kind of
It can grow. It's very sweet.
Yeah, very nice. Like, I'm trying to have the flavor. We have some in Ghana, but I remember the name of it. Okay. And this is millet. Millet Fufu in Senegal, man. Wow.
But mama, you know, I want to paint the video.
Wow.
African.
Wow.
I don't know content.
Millet Fufu. Wow. Very nice. So in Ghana, yeah, the boys in Ghana, they say that, or they know that here in Senegal there are a lot of medicine for manhood to have sex. Is it true or false? Yeah. It's true or false? Is it true or false? No, it's true. It's true. Look. This one. Man, all these things are herbal. Yeah, man, I know this. But we never use it in Ghana. Wow. So this is a herbal shop. Oh, herbal. I know this one too. Yeah. Wow, this is stone, right? This is stone.
Not carrot. No.
I see things that I've known, or things that I knew when I was growing up, but we never used them because we don't know the importance of it. Example like this one. Everybody knows this, yeah, this stuff, but nobody uses it. But here they sell it in Senegal. They sell it. Look at this. It seems like a dust, but they sell it. It's a medicine for medicinal purpose. They have rope and everything over here. Look at this. Look at this one. So this is a herbal shop in Senegal. Wow. Man, if you live in a Muslim community, try your best possible to learn something, because there are lots of medicine in the Muslim community. Man, things I knew when I was growing up, my grandmother used to have some at home, but now we can't really see them no more. But here they sell them. Wow.
So before I went to the market, someone promised that fufu. So whilst we were in the market, we were thinking about the fufu at home. So it's about time to go home and see what this fufu is about.
Yeah, so we're about to do fufu. Over here they call it fufu, and they use corn flour to do it. And yeah, they have boiling water, and the oil was added into the water, and now we're about to add in the corn flour. So I believe just like making a pellet, but the difference is that they didn't do porridge. Okay, so the corn flour goes inside the hot water with oil. Now they stir it like this. We call it fufu over here, but we call it benku or apele. I keep saying that there's similarities in our food because we are the West African people, but over here the method and the preparation that changes. As you can see, same corn flour but done in a different method, in different way. So add the hot water to it again and they cover it for it to boil. So just like akpele, making akpele. So it's kind of okra soup, and this is the process of it. Okay. When the banku is done, or fufu, they call it fufu here. This is how they roll it. Everything is placed inside the pan like this. Go with this okra soup over here. Okay, kanje. After it's done, the okra soup is being spread around like that. Yeah, so they eat around like that. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so this is benku, but they call it fufu over here in Senegal, and it's been spread like that. See how Senegal fufu tastes like. Wow.
Nous sommes tous deux des amants éternels.
Okay. Okay. See, c'est bon. C'est bon. Tastes nice. Tastes nice. And the okra soup. Wow. The okra soup too also tastes nice.
Soup kanja.
Yeah, soup kanja. Wow. Tastes nice. Man, I wasn't expecting the corn flour to have this kind of taste, but very nice. Wow.
Voilà.
So she's adding a bit of lemon to it. Okay, so they squeeze the liquid from the lemon if you want it. Yeah. Okay. fufu that sourness. They love lemon, they love vinegar, and all this kind of stuffs. Wow, it's amazing.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Really, very, very good.
Yeah, so that's for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Senegal Diaries, cooking with Sindako, connecting dots and showcasing our African food and the communities and everything. Thanks for watching. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's meet again. Man, make sure you watch that Senegal videos I've posted already. I'm out.
It tastes amazing. This is fufu in Senegal with soup kanji.